Let's talk about volume and why it matters.
Volume is simple. It's the total number of shares traded during a specific period of time. Look at the bottom of any chart. You see those bars underneath the candles? That's volume. Tall bar means that a lot of shares changed hands during that time. A short bar means barely anyone was trading. A green volume bar means the price closed higher than the previous period. And a red volume bar indicates that the price closed lower than the previous period. One is a bullish sentiment and one is bearish.
Now here's something that I need you to remember. Write it down, screenshot it. You'll make a tattoo out of it if you have to.
Here's where most Cubs go wrong. They fail to evaluate the entire situation before they react. What they fail to ask is, how many people actually showed up for this move? Because a stock can go up 6% on low volume and give every single point back the next day. But if that same stock goes up 6% on high volume, that move means something. Volume separates real moves from noise, and on this channel, we don't trade noise. A high volume move is when price moves significantly and volume spikes above its average. What that's telling you is that the big players are behind this. The institutions, funds, serious, informed money. The move is more likely to hold or continue in whatever direction it's moving. A low volume price move means the party's happening, but nobody really showed up. What that's telling you is that this move is more likely to fade or trap the person who chased it. If volume is below average, slow down. Wait for confirmation. Don't chase noise. If it's above average, now you've got something worth investigating. Understand what you're looking at before you make a move. It will save you heartache and shmoney.
Let's revisit some of the things that we learned so far.
Support is the floor, resistance is the ceiling, and volume is what tells you whether those levels are going to hold or break. Lastly, RSI tells you when the move is ready.